Hello, aspiring creators and fellow knowledge enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock the power of online education? Whether you are a seasoned expert or a passionate learner, today's video is your gateway to the exciting world of online course creation. I'm Abby Caparas, and I'm more than excited to take you on a journey that combines the thrill of teaching with the possibility of earning income. So if you've ever dreamed of sharing your expertise with the world while building a passive income stream, you're in the right place. Let's dive into our introduction to online course creation, basics and benefits. Welcome back, my friends, to my new series of online course creation. I'm your host, Abik, and in this video, I will give a short introduction about the why and the wherefore of online course creation. And you might ask, why is Dr. Avik in online course creation? Well, I've been studying digital education for many years, and it just got me more interested during the COVID-19 pandemic. And I see it more clearly as an alternative for working moms and working dads to earn passive income and perhaps more earnings to afford them to spend more time for their families rather than a stressful corporate job. And according to Forbes magazine, there is a huge demand for people to learn online. They want relevant skills, they want to adapt to change more quickly, and they cannot afford it with long academic courses. They want knowledge at their fingertips, and they cannot get that with traditional learning models. The learners are shifting towards digital platforms, and hence, we can say that what's happening with online courses is more than just a trend. It is a movement that is reshaping the way we learn and teach. For either party, whether you are a student of learning or a teacher, you get to learn with the advancements in technology, and you also get to earn income, like enrollment fees or pay at a higher grade when promoted. So it's not just about learning, it's about earning too. Imagine turning your expertise, your passions into a source of income that works for you even while you sleep. But it's not just about financial gains, it's about making an impact, reaching a global audience hungry for what you know. So whether you are an entrepreneur, a teacher, a coach, or simply someone with a unique skill, this video is your gateway to understanding the basics and the benefits of online course creation. Alright, let's start by breaking down the essence of online course creation. Have you ever wanted to share your knowledge, skills, or expertise with others? At any given moment, I can share what I know about creating and maintaining a YouTube channel, designing using Canva or using HP Smart App to take camera scans of my documents. I'm an expert already of this. So these are simply insights, but I can structure them better into a course so that I don't forget essential points of learning. That's exactly what online course creation is all about. It's the art of transforming your valuable insights into a well-organized and easily accessible learning experience that can benefit learners from all the corners of the world. Online course creation involves crafting a structured curriculum that guides learners through a journey of acquiring new knowledge or new skills. It's really making their path of learning shorter and more efficient than what you have experienced so that they do not get through the long winding path that you might have traversed going from here to there. And why? Because you want to help them, and getting some income in return is simply an icing on the cake. Think of it as packaging your expertise into a virtual classroom where students can engage with your content, learn at their own pace, and interact with the material remotely. That is the beauty of the digital age. Your classroom has no physical boundaries, and your teachings can reach a global audience hungry for what you have to offer. So imagine you are a master chef with secret recipes that could elevate anyone's cooking game. With an online course, you can compile your culinary wisdom from basic techniques to gourmet dishes and present it in a way that's engaging and easy to follow. Your students, whether they're across town or across the ocean, can access your course materials whenever they want, wherever they are. It literally is like having your own cooking academy that's open 24/7. So it is highly empowering as an educator. And if you have a course and you have a number of students going through the course and giving you feedback, then you can refine your expertise, improve the structuring of your content and develop a deeper understanding of your subject matter. Of course, the act of teaching both within a physical classroom or online can be incredibly rewarding. Seeing your students succeed and grow thanks to your guidance is a feeling like no other. But in a digital classroom, you can see much more students succeeding with your guidance, as there is no physical or there is no time barrier. Perhaps you're thinking that creating a course can be challenging as it needs a lot of tech. But remember this, in the digital landscape, online course creation is a dynamic blend of education, entrepreneurship, and technology. Technology is an essential aspect, but it is only 1/3 of it. There are platforms that can facilitate the tech aspect of course creation. Let me quickly introduce you, for example, to Kajabi. That is my all-in-one platform, and it will enable you to create, market, and sell your online courses. With Kajabi, you can create your very first online course without any cost upfront, because I can give you with my affiliate link a free trial. So click the link in the description below to grab your exclusive free trial of Kajabi and start your journey to become a successful online course creator. Your future students are waiting, so let's make it happen together. Now that you've got a clearer picture of what course creation entails, let's go deeper into the advantages. Let's discover how this innovative medium can transform your expertise into a powerful force of education and income generation. First, let's talk about global reach. Picture this. You are sharing your wisdom from the comfort of your own space, and your teachings are resonating with curious minds not just in the neighborhood but across continents. Online courses break down geographical barriers, allowing you to connect with a diverse audience eager to learn from you. So whether you are teaching the art of photography, marketing strategies, or intentional parenting techniques, your impact can span the entire globe. But here's where things get exciting. Flexibility. Online courses provide both educators and learners the flexibility that they can set at their own pace. As a creator, you can design the learning experience to fit the needs of different types of learners. Students, on the other hand, can access your content at a time that suits them, accommodating their busy schedules and personal commitments. This flexibility fosters a comfortable and effective learning environment that caters to all learning styles. Now, let's talk about a term that can minimize the concerns in many places nowadays. The term is passive income. Creating online courses opens up the potential to earn money while you sleep. And once your course is up and running, students can enroll at any time and you continue to earn revenue from your hard work. Imagine waking up to notifications of new enrollments and payments, all thanks to the value that you packed into your course materials. But the benefits don't stop there. As you build and launch your online course, you are also establishing yourself as an authority in your field. Sharing your knowledge in a structured and engaging format positions you as a credible expert. People naturally turn to those who can provide guidance and insights. And by becoming an online educator, you're not just spreading information, you are building your personal brand that people trust and admire. In a nutshell, creating online courses offers an array of advantages that blend education, entrepreneurship, and personal growth. It is a journey that extends beyond sharing information. It's about making a lasting impact on the lives of learners worldwide, and everything while fueling your own growth and success. Together, we are reshaping the future of education and empowerment. So there you have it, champions of knowledge. We've covered the fundamentals of online course creation and unveiled the exciting advantages that await you on this incredible journey. Let's recap. We explored how online course creation means packaging your expertise into a structured curriculum accessible to learners worldwide. We marveled at the global reach, flexible learning opportunities, potential for passive income, and the authority that you can establish within your field through this creative endeavor. But this is just the beginning of our exploration. If you're ready to dive deeper into each step of the process, from selecting the perfect course topic to launching and promoting your masterpiece, then you're in for a treat. Because my upcoming videos will guide you through each of these stages with actionable tips, expert insights, and hands-on demonstrations. So hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to ensure that you don't miss any part of this YouTube series. And now, here's a special message for all the hardworking parents out there. Imagine the possibilities if you could share your expertise, your experience, and impact lives and gain the time and financial freedom to be there for your family. Online course creation isn't just about building a business. It's about creating a life that aligns with your aspirations. Thank you so much for joining me today on this adventure into the heart of online course creation. Stay inspired, stay passionate, and remember that the world is waiting for your brilliance. Until next time, keep dreaming big and making a difference.